Okay, so in this question, we have a right angle triangle. It says find the length of side RT. So side RT is this side here. We need to find this side. Now we have a right angle triangle and they have given us an angle. Now in this kind of question, they will usually give us the angle and they'll give us one side and they'll ask us to work out the other side. So the side they're asking us to work out today is this side here, and I'll just call it A for now. So we know that because it's a right angle, this here must be the hypotenuse. Compared to this angle here, it's not touching this side, so this is the opposite. And if you look at the two sides that are touching this angle, the longest one is always called the hypotenuse there, and the other one is called the adjacent. So relative to this angle, remember the hypotenuse will always be hypotenuse, but the opposite can change, the adjacent can change. But relative to this angle, so compared to this angle, that is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent. Now think very carefully. In this question, they've told us the opposite is 14, and they want us to work out the adjacent. It really has nothing to do with the hypotenuse. So from now on, we can ignore the hypotenuse. Now, we've been given the opposite and we've been given the adjacent. So we need to use one of these three trigonometry pyramids to see which one we're going to use now. So we're going to identify which triangle we're going to use or which pyramid we're going to use. So which pyramid uses the opposite and the adjacent? So it's this one here. And because we want to work out the adjacent, if we cover that up, you can see you do the opposite divided by the tan angle. So you have to do the opposite divided by t for tan, the angle is 53 will equal to the adjacent. Now we know what the O is. The O was 14, so in fact I could have just written 14 divided by tan 53 is equal to adjacent. Now if you do 14 divided by tan 53 on your calculator, you'll see it's 10.55. So this length here is actually 10.55 centimeters. So the adjacent there is equal to 10.55 centimeters.